Hello everybody, this is your Vijayalakshmi teacher and welcome to our social class. In the previous blog, we had learnt all about solving problems. Solving our problems at home, solving problems at school, solving problems in the village. Okay, who solves the problems in villages? What are the various problems found in villages? What does Gram Panchayat do? What are the functions of Gram Panchayat? Who solves the problems if they are in cities and towns? What are the functions of municipality? We had learnt everything very well and we did the worksheets also very well. So today we are going to begin another new blog, that is finding directions. Okay, directions we all have learnt previously. We know that north, south, east, west, these are the directions. But before we begin our today's class, let me ask you a question, students. If someone comes to you and shows you a visiting card and he asks you, this man's house is in your area only, and just give me directions for his house. Okay, tell me the address of this man. I want to go to his house. How will you tell that man? Okay, how will you give the directions to that person? Okay, many times people come and ask, this man, where he is, he works in so and so office, where is his house? They'll be searching and they'll be asking you the address. Amma, ye address kavali, ye address chahiye, they'll be asking you. So how will you give the directions? Sometimes mostly how people give directions is that, okay, this man, yeah, we know it, go straight and turn to left. There you will find a water tank. From there you take right. Okay, go for 5 minutes walk. After 5 minutes walk, you will find a general store in the left. Don't stop there. Still go straight under a neem tree. You will find a neem tree. There in front of that, a big yellow house is there. A black gate will be there. So this man's house is there only. Most of the houses in our state are like, the gate will be in black color only. So this is how we give directions for address. Right? Am I right? Did you ever give directions, or did you ever tell address of like this to anyone? What is the right way of giving directions? How to tell the address correctly? Okay, today we are going to learn what are the directions or what are the types of directions. Okay, we have fixed directions and we have the directions which are not fixed. When you give directions like go straight, turn to your left, there is a water tank, then turn to your right. Okay, right, left, these are not fixed. Okay, this will be changing as per the person is moving. If I am standing here and I ask you to move to your left, okay, if you stand there and if you move to your left, these are not fixed. This might be changing. Okay, there might be little confusion also. Okay, these are not fixed directions. Then what are fixed directions? Let us learn today about fixed directions and the directions which are not fixed. Right, students? Let's move forward and learn more. Now, let us learn what are the fixed directions and which directions are the directions which are not fixed. Okay, fixed directions and not fixed directions. Right, here is a small flow chart behind me. So directions, fixed directions. In fixed directions we have these 4: north, south, east and west. Okay, fixed directions are north, south, east and west. And the not fixed directions are left, right, front, back. Now students, tell me which directions are always right to use. Okay, when can you use the fixed directions? Okay, which directions are better to use in saying the address to someone? Okay, when you are giving address to someone, when you are explaining the address of someone's house or a place, which directions will you use? Whether to go for the fixed directions north, south, east, west, or the not fixed directions, left, right, front, back. It is always correct. It will be always right to use the fixed directions. North, south, east, west. When you are telling the directions to a place, when you are telling the way to the certain address, it is better to use the fixed directions, because these directions do not change. North will be always north, south will be always south, east and west will be the same everywhere. But when it comes to left, right, front, back, when can we use this? When all of us are facing towards the same direction, then you can use this go to the left, go to the right. When all of us are towards the same directions, when all of us are seeing towards the same directions, then you can use the not fixed directions like left, right, front, back. You can use them. Right? Now, the next question is, how can we find fixed directions? How can we find fixed directions? In order to find fixed directions, first of all, we should find something fixed. Like, where is the east? Okay, we all know that the sun rises from the east direction. So, if it rises from the east direction, then the opposite direction will be west. Like that, you have to find something fixed direction, like east, west, north, south. Then you can find the fixed directions. Now, let us go for the homework from S1 students. Let us take it now. Now, students, let us do one activity. We have a chart, okay? It's like a chart on the board, and let us observe very closely what we have here, okay? You also observe very carefully, because I will ask you, okay? What all we have here? I'll ask you, right? Okay. So, there is a big box here, okay? Big box with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? 10 columns and 8 rows. Okay, east direction is here. Okay, the sun rises in the east direction. You have to remember this always. Sun rises in the east. So, the opposite of east is west direction. And here is the south direction. Opposite of south direction is the north direction. Okay? East direction, west direction, south direction and north direction. Right? So this is a big box and we have these directions surrounding them. Now let us observe what symbols we have in this box. There are different kinds of symbols. What are these? Let us remember. Okay? So here is a star in this box. We have a star here. Okay, Christmas star. Star. This is a square. Okay. Okay, all sides are equal. Okay, square. This is a triangle. Star, square, triangle. This is a line. Okay, here we find a line. This is a circle. Circle. This is a rectangle. This is a heart shape here. Okay, this is a heart. This is a diamond. Okay, diamond looks like Kaju Barfi, right? Okay, this is the arrow from where we start to any game. This is the arrow, and this is a shape like something like cloud. Okay, once again let us revise. Okay, what is there in this? Let us observe. East direction, opposite of east we have west direction. Here we have south direction, opposite of south we have north direction. This is the star, star, square, square here, triangle. Okay, triangle looks like a samosa, right? Triangle. This is a line. This is a circle. Okay, looks like a pizza. The shape of a pizza. Circle, rectangle, diamond. Okay. Heart, arrow and a small cloud shape. Now let us try to do this activity. We have to find the directions. Okay, how to do this? All of you open your workbook. This is S1 of block 16. The name of this worksheet is left, right and east, west, I think. I'll tell you the page number. All of you open to this. Under this box, there are some questions. Something like fill in the blanks are there. You have to read this. You have to read and you have to answer. Right, students? Okay. This is the page. Hope you can see this. Okay. This is your workbook page number 40, students. Page number 40 here. So this is the box and the question is, look at the chart carefully and write the symbols according to the directions given. Okay. So what is that they are asking here? A. Okay. After looking at this, the first one A is, if we are standing on the square, facing the diamond, then which symbol is to your left? Okay, if we are standing on the square facing the diamond, then which symbol is to the left? Let us check it out on our board, on our whiteboard. Okay, so what are they saying? For example, okay, this is you. Okay, I'll draw your picture here. You are standing here, okay, on the square. This is the square. If you are standing on the square and you are facing the diamond, your face is towards the diamond, then which symbol is to your left? Okay, like we are standing here on the square and you are facing the diamond. Now check out, your left hand side is here. Okay, left hand side is here. So which symbol is there here? It is the triangle. So in this fill in the blank, you write triangle. Okay, triangle spelling Triangle. Triangle. Okay, the first one A, fill in the blank. In that blank, you write triangle. Okay, because if you are standing here and if your face is towards the diamond, so your left hand will be like this. And which symbol is there here near to you? To your left, it is the triangle. Right, students? Did you understand? Now write the spelling triangle very neatly. Let the T be the capital letter, remaining all the... If we are standing on the rectangle, facing the circle, then which symbol is to our right? So how do we do it? Okay. So if we are standing on the rectangle, that is the B question. We'll draw the picture on B. Okay. Someone is standing like this. Okay. You are standing like this. This is your right. Okay. If we are standing like this. Okay, on the rectangle facing circle. Okay, on the rectangle facing the circle means this is the position. Okay, so what are they asking? If we are standing on the rectangle and facing the circle, then which symbol is to our right? Okay, this is the right side. Okay, then the right side will be the line. Okay, line. We have the line on the right side. If you are standing on the rectangle and your face is towards the circle, then which symbol is to your right? They are asking, if you are standing on the rectangle, your face is towards the circle, then which symbol is towards your right? The line is there towards the right. Okay, that is the B1. Now the C1. Which symbol will we reach when we move towards the south from the circle? Okay, this is the circle. Okay, they are saying that if we move from the circle towards the south direction, this is the south direction. Which symbol will you reach? Okay, this is the rectangle here. Okay, this is the rectangle. What is the difference between a rectangle and a square? Square has all sides equal. Rectangle has opposite sides equal. So here this is the rectangle. So for the C sentence, in the blank you will write, we will reach south from the circle. Okay, from the circle towards the south if we move, then we will reach the symbol rectangle. RECTANGLE. Then the D1. In which direction will we go to reach the star from the arrow? This is the star and this is the arrow. they are asking you from the arrow, if you want to reach the star, which direction will you move to? This is the arrow, this is the star. From here, you are moving towards the star. So what is this direction here? What direction is here? East direction. So here in D, fill in the blank, you will write east. Okay, D1 once again I'll repeat. In which direction will we go to reach the star from the arrow? Okay, from the arrow, if we want to go and touch the star, which direction are we moving to? We are moving to the east direction. So in the dash, you write EAST, east, right? So with that, we have completed the first question of page number 40 workbook. Let us go to the second question. Second question is, if you are standing on the square and your friend is standing on the diamond. Okay, this is the square and this is the diamond. Okay, so they are saying if you are standing on the square and your friend is standing on the diamond, okay, your face is towards the diamond, right? So you are facing each other. Here I am not drawing the eyes because this is the back side of your friend. So his face you can see. What will be the directions? Write your answer in the box below. Direction from the heart. Okay. Direction from the heart to left or right. Okay. Direction from the heart. Direction of heart from the diamond. Okay. From the diamond towards, from the diamond, direction of heart from diamond. Okay, from diamond towards the heart. Which direction? Okay. So this will be the right side of your friend's side. Okay. So is this north or south direction? Diamond is in north direction or south direction? Second box, it is south. Then the next one is direction of triangle. Direction of triangle from square. Okay, what is the direction here? From the square, which direction? Is it left direction or right direction? From the square, it is the left direction. Okay, this is your left hand. So you can write left there. And what is it? Fixed direction. Which direction? It is the south. Once again, south. Okay. This is south direction. Third question, how are left-right directions different from north-south directions? They are asking you what is the difference between left-right direction and north-south directions. Excuse me. Left-right directions are not fixed directions. They can change. See, now this is my left and this is my right. If I turn this side, then this is my right and this is my left. So left-right directions are not fixed. They won't be same at all the times. But north and south are fixed directions. Whichever place you go, north will be on the north only. It won't change. And south will be on the south. So north, south, east, west are known as fixed directions. So they don't change with the person. Fixed direction don't change with the person. Even if the person is moving also, the north fixed directions will not move. Whereas left and right directions will be changing. Yeah? Okay, with that we completed page number 40. Now let us move to S2, that is directions of the sun. Before doing this, we'll discuss a little about what is needed to be learned. Right students, let's move forward. Workbook finish S1 page 40. This is page number 40. We have done this. Okay, this box and square, triangle, heart symbol, and we have completed the fill in the blanks. We even wrote these directions. Okay, workbook part is over. Now it comes to the textbook part. at the back of the lesson, practice question 2 and 3. You should answer practice question 2 and 3. What are these questions? Let us discuss. Why do we need directions? Okay, that is the second question. Why do we need directions? This is in page number 104 from your textbook. Okay. Why do we need directions? You tell me. Try to remember the beginning of this today's class. In the beginning we were telling directions, na? Okay. We need directions to locate a place on the map. That is first point. Second one, we also need directions to tell address for some person. Okay. That is the second point. Then third question, what are the cardinal directions? Cardinal directions are the fixed directions. We learnt, north, south, east, west. Okay, these directions are called as cardinal directions. North, south, east, west. These are cardinal directions. These are also known as fixed directions. They don't change with the change in the position of a person. I repeat once again. Cardinal directions are fixed directions. They don't change with the position of the person. Okay, even if the person changes also his position, they don't change. North remains north only, south remains south. Okay, so that these are the answers for the practice questions. Write point wise. So that's all for today, students. Thank you.